The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Tarrant County in north central Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located along the line from Benrock to Sansom Park to the Hurst-Euless-Bedford area, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hurst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Forest Hill, Azle, Richland Hills, and River Oaks. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 44 and 67. Interstate 20 between mile markers 423 and 453. Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 31. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.